In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a histogram on Visme. Whether you're presenting your latest data analysis or simply exploring data visualization, a well-crafted histogram can communicate your insights effectively and visually. We'll guide you through creating one using the powerful tools available on Visme. To start off, head over to Visme's dedicated histogram maker. This tool is specifically designed for this purpose, making your job much easier. Visme offers a range of histogram templates to give you a head start. If you're starting from scratch, you can begin a new project, whether it's an infographic, presentation, or a blank canvas, and navigate to the histogram maker directly. When in a project, simply open the Data tab and choose the Charts or Graphs option. Once you're on the histogram maker page, a variety of templates will greet you. Select the one that resonates with the style or data representation you have in mind. This choice sets the foundation for your design. If you're working within the graph maker in a specific project, you'll also find an option to select the chart type corresponding to a histogram. Now it's time to add your data. You have a couple of choices here. You can manually enter your data ranges, or bins, along with their frequencies directly into the chart's datasheet. This step helps categorize your data visually across different intervals. Alternatively, if you have your data ready in a Google Sheet or Excel file, Visme allows you to import this information seamlessly. This can be a real time saver. With your data in place, it's time to customize your histogram. Dive into the settings to tweak the range intervals, often referred to as bins, and adjust the colors of the bars, text, and labels to suit your preferences. Tailoring these elements to your specific needs not only enhances visual appeal, but also ensures the histogram faithfully represents your data. Also, ensure your axes are appropriately labeled. The x-axis should denote your data ranges or bins, while the y-axis indicates frequency. For an added touch of engagement, consider turning on the animation feature. This can make your histogram dynamic, holding your audience's attention longer and making your data story more compelling. Finally, style and design the histogram to align with your project's theme or your brand's visual identity. Change the fonts and colors as needed. And if your histogram is part of a larger infographic, don't hesitate to add icons, images, or shapes around the chart to enrich the overall composition. By following these steps, you'll create a visually appealing and informative histogram that can captivate your audience and effectively convey your data insights. Thank you for tuning in, and happy creating.